Hi, I'm Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious green chicken using your Instapot. It's a very quick and simple meal. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our Instapot ready. So I've turned that on. And then you're going to put in 4 chicken thighs into your Instapot. And then I'm using Hatch green chili enchilada sauce. And I'm going to put 2 cans of that into the Instapot. And then we're going to put about a teaspoon of onion powder into our Instapot. And we're also going to put a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we just need a little bit of chipotle chili pepper. If you don't have that, it's okay. You don't have to put that in. You can, if you have paprika, you can put that in. And then I'm going to put a pinch of salt. And then we're going to put some fresh ground pepper in it. And that's it. That's all we have to do. We're just going to put the lid on and let it cook for a little bit until it's done. And then we can serve it with a couple of different things.